But yeah, we're playing more Battle Cats because we're bored.
Yeah, I'm going to get capsules because our friend just got an uber rare.
I got literally just got an uber super rare for my first ever cat capsule. Look at this thing.
They can't see it.
I know they can't see it, but it's standing on like.
It says if we complete the Grease level.
Wait, is that a part of this?
Can you stop? We're making a video. Dubai. Do you have any cat capsules? No. Let's just start. Okay.
That's for the final one.
A month older.
Okay.
Dubia.
We're gonna do 2 rounds for both of us.
But first you want to get a cat.
Like a normal cat.
And then you want to upgrade. And then, yeah, then just...
Can I help make the YouTube videos, please?
What?
Why can't I join the group? Rare cat capsule. I got an uber super rare. Yeah, look. It's right there. You can't make anything. It costs 3,100. No, I know I get more damn gold.
Look,
Yeah, but I'll show
the
you.
kitty army. Yeah. The axe cat.
How
How did I
to
get
so
the
you
axe
increase your
cat?
max to like 3,000. What? With God Cat? Is that one that I don't have?
No.
What do you do?
No.
You gotta upgrade. Oh.
No, pressing the... No.
Nice. I'm going to use Ninja
No.
That guy's play small cat also. Play Ninja Cat.
I could get this
I
cat.
know what Ninja Cat is.
Still
It costs
cat.
3,000. I'll show you how to get to
What
that.
do you do that?
I know you sometimes like randomly just increase.
We're in the city.
No,
The city of Doom.
What is it?
Yeah.
I'll show you after this match. But it's gonna cost you to let me play a little bit of back. Bitch, I don't care. No, it's not.
Ninja Cat.
It's gonna cost you to let me play in your bullshit.
Ninja Cat's the best.
And then I guess I don't want to use the cheaper I'll fuck me using it. Just take me goddamn. Fine. I literally got.
There's a penguin dude.
On my other account too, my first gold cat was that too.
So they can't buy it. Okay, I'm gonna save up for the cow.
President.
I'm gonna save up for the cow,
I
okay?
don't have God Cat yet. I don't have God Cat and I didn't
No, I'm gonna get this guy.
Oh, we need them out. Get more out.
my luck in
Fire. Hurry, they're attacking.
Is it
No, go back and get to the other ones. We need them. They're attacking.
We're losing. Our first.
Get them. Get them out. I told you to get the Ninja Cat. We're gonna destroy it now. Get the Ninja Cat. Get the Ninja Cat.
No, we're dead.
It's too late because... God Cat. We have no choice. But to do it. We have to censor it out.
Which one? 20? Okay.
no, don't do that. Wait till it's half.
We have to censor it out. We had no choice.
Yo.
I don't have a cat.
What did that do?
Oh, the penguin guys is so strong. They're ninjas.
Let's see if I can get another.
The penguin guys is so strong.
Oh, we can get a cow.
I told you to get the little ones.
What is that? It's only a rabbit.
Look, a cow. Look. What does the cow even do?
Going the same way Tyson cat.
But we're gonna have to censor the god.
The cow cat. Let's go ahead and do that.
Go, Max. Wait. Now upgrade your efficiency so you can get it. There, now you can get money.
I'm gonna post this video tomorrow. So we have a video for tomorrow.
about the god cat.
I literally don't care.
I'm gonna post this video tomorrow.
Yeah, my turn.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's when you
Oh, new winter cat.
If I just
We can get it.
I just wasted all my all the stuff on it. Well, we could have probably gotten
Dude, look at my thing. Look at my thing. Yeah,
This to a high
Aiden,
level.
look at this. I taught him how to upgrade it, so it's only level 2. But look, it's so much. I taught him how to do that. Do you want me to teach you? I'm already at 2,000. I taught
Wait, I
you
don't know
so
which
much stuff
one.
in Malcap.
I'm
Why
gonna
can't I
upgrade
join?
this.
Literally.
You're upgrading him.
Aiden, I literally taught you so much stuff in
I know when
Malcap.
to start.
Why can't I join?
It's up to the leader.
Yes, okay.
Enemies, where's this?
4 new enemies.
Oh, I know what that is now.
I need one more upgrade, man. I can get it. Look at my ring.
I'm gonna upload this video tomorrow. You know why? So we have a video tomorrow. I'm gonna make videos tomorrow. Or a video tomorrow. So people can watch.
Both goes up so fast. They're both level 10. My efficiency is level 10. Don't say
We're gonna have to upgrade it.
Are you gonna save up?
I'm going to need a ninja. Yeah, I'm quickly getting these out so they attack them. I'm going to get the ninja. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
The God Cat is kind of helpful.
Yeah. It matters what you do.
I did it! I placed it! I helped him. I taught him how to upgrade it. He's gonna look at my Uber, bro.
No, I think we have to do God Cat again.
Oh my god.
Okay. Hopefully we have enough.
We only have 20 now. We have to save up.
Actually, not.
Right?
Yeah.
This thing's still OP. It's killing me.
He said out there the cow cat is the lizard cat.
Yeah, imagine that.
We have to get 150
We're attacking this
cat
thing.
food, right?
Yep.
So let's do it.
But we spent a lot for the God Cat. So we're gonna have to upgrade our money thing. So we're not gonna do the next level until we upgrade our stuff a lot, right?
I guess.
We have to upgrade it. Want it?
We got that much XP. Now we can upgrade him.
Oh.
We like something new.
Press upgrade. Oh no, it's just an enemy. We need to upgrade our abilities. Wait, let's upgrade.
Wait,
I
is
know
he a rare cat?
No, we're not getting anything. We need to upgrade. Let me do it. I'm gonna upgrade it.
We can. Wait, can we upgrade the gross cat?
No, we're not upgrading any of them. We have to upgrade these.
No, we should save up for the frog.
No, because then we need.
Health. Yeah, do health.
No. Oh, fine. So it has more health.
Yeah.
Research.
Now I'm gonna buy cat pads only so
Okay, so we upgraded some stuff, but we're not doing the next level. Okay? Because we're not powerful enough. We have to go back. So we can't do the next level. Let's do.
my Uber Super
Can I go?
Yeah, let's do. We're not doing the next one because we're not powerful enough. let's do this
Wait,
because
did you just play?
yeah, let's do this one because we
Wait,
can't.
did you just play?
Yeah, but we can't do the final one we have because then because that'll be bad.
No, we'll just give you
4,000 and there's
Do you want me to surprise Anthony by editing the God Cat out for him so he doesn't have to?
Okay.
Yeah, we'll do some stuff so he doesn't have to.
Just
Anthony's
keep
brain.
spamming cats. Bro, they're dead. Don't even place anything you want.
I'm not gonna do the god. I'm not gonna use any more cat food.
Yeah, but
He's literally just dead. Died.
we'll have to upgrade that. We're gonna have to upgrade our energy, right? So we're gonna have to keep going back to office to get energy, so then we can upgrade our thing, right? Is that right?
I guess.
We have no choice because we're not powerful enough. We haven't upgraded enough.
That's only if you buy stuff you can use it.
Let's zoom out. We need to zoom out always. So always zoom out.
Wait, actually,
We need ninja cats, at least one.
Okay, I'll put down a ninja cat.
And the ninja cats actually go fast while destroying the thing. And we have more health on our thing, so
We get free XP.
yeah, we get 4,000 while they get 3,500. So we get 500 more health on our tower than them.
and these, no, not max. Once you complete the storm mode, you can upgrade it to 130. That's just max.
Let's just upgrade that because they're attacking them. The penguin things are too powerful, right?
What penguin?
So in the
Oh, I know.
yeah, they're very powerful. So
We can't get a penguin.
yeah, but we'll have to buy upgrades before we destroy them. Before we go back to levels because we need more power.
Yeah, I'm gonna pause this after this level, okay? Pause the video because I wanted to show you something.
Also need to upgrade the tower.
What's cool is we haven't got any game over yet, right?
Yeah.
The God Cat is actually good. Actually, don't do that because then that's why we need to have the small ones out because then that's why, yeah. So get the small ones out. Because don't go for the bigger ones that cost more money because then we're gonna lose, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we need to upgrade our wallet before we can buy those. Of course, we don't need to put our God Cat in our inventory.
No, we won.
Yes.
Wait, no.
Wait. Let me do stuff. Okay, so let's go upgrade to see if we can upgrade anything.
We can upgrade the gross cat.
No, we're not doing it. We gotta first upgrade these before we can do that.
Wait, no.
Oh, we get faster money for this. One. Wait, I'm good. Oh, we'll get more money now since that. Okay, what do you want me to show me? Wait, let's pause the video.
Because it's
So, press.
we do the new level.
I'm not powerful. falling down. I hear FNF, that's a problem. I hear someone with FNF. But there's no one's going copyright. Unless it's one mod.
Something the cat got.
No!
Making noise. Sorry, I don't care.
Then stop, Matthew. That's it. Cut that out.
Cut what out?
You know what I just said.
We got the object. We got
You're
the
saying
object.
to cut out what you just said.
Just spam what?
Oh, no. I paused it, so I paused that.
Stop
Watch.
it, Matthew. You said stop it, Matthew.
No, I paused the video.
You were talking to Matthew.
Yeah, I paused the video. And don't say names. Well, it's going to make a problem for our editor.
Well, how about we introduce the squad? Make a video introducing the squad.
Yeah, but I'm not going to be on face cam.
Yeah, we did have to say your name.
And not my name.
Why?
I want a nickname. Why don't we give ourselves a real name or a nickname? A nickname.
Okay, what is
Yeah, a little fun name. No, not a nickname, a fun name.
No, a nickname. Like
A special name. Yeah, what YouTube's name is. Yeah, like that. Like how, Speakable's name is Nathan, so, yeah.
Hayden plays.
No. Now you just do it from Professor Unspeakable. With the plays.
Mr. Beast is a name. Mr. Beast.
Okay,
Mr. Beast's name Jimmy.
let's not talk about other YouTubers because we don't want to get copyrighted. They may copyright us. We don't want them to copyright us.
Well, that's true.
I know, but let's not do that. Let's not talk about it.
I have
I probably don't like when people
I
talk.
have a pig.
I have like a
Apple pig.
but the cat's like just like that. That was easy. Let's quickly upgrade and then we'll end the video.
I have a pig. No, I dare you to upgrade. Can I upgrade something?
Wait, let's upgrade this.
No, can I upgrade something though?
Oh, this is a cat cannon range, so we can go farther.
Yeah.
So I upgraded that. No.
Logan. You want to come to the cafeteria
Don't waste
with
it.
me so we can get water?
No, don't.
Yes, we can do it.
Okay, upgrade it then.
Upgrade it.
Once. No, don't.
What's wrong?
And you did it. We need to upgrade our. Can you stop? Really? Really?
I waited to say a lot.